Hey broskies, maray na aga, maray na hapon, maray na banggi, whatever it is. I just have one quick hapot. If ang sarong flower doesn't bloom, are you gonna blame the masitas or are you gonna blame its environment? So imagine mga broskies, this particular masitas didn't grow or hindi siya nag-bloom and all. Are you gonna blame this plant and check this plant, or are you gonna check its soil kung saan mo siya tinaranom? Are you gonna check the light, the saldang, or are you gonna check the air around it, the humidity? Because those are the reasons kung bakit nagbo-bloom at nag-grow itong particular masitas na to. So, mga broskies, if you are not growing right now, then anong klaseng environment meron ka? Sino yung madalas mong kinakaulay? Sino yung madalas mong kaibahan sa mga barag-barag and all? What are the things na iniisip mo or aldaw? Or ano yung madalas mong dinadalan sa social media? Ano yung madalas mong binabasa? Because broskies, if we are not growing, basically, you really have to check your environment. Legit.